Assalamu alaikum guys. Once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope so you're the pretty well guys. We all here. Last time we have given you the lecture regarding speaking. Again, we are gonna give you the great lecture regarding, but that we were 2%. Now we are 3%. Just we will discuss together. We will communicate together so that you can listen us properly how we are speaking English language. Today we will talk about that how can we create a great environment so that we can speak better. I will ask some questions from these two persons and also they will try to motivate and also they will try to describe stall media. Okay, Mrs. Zaid, what do you think if I talk Moment Hussein is here, right? So and me Sayasi here. So what do you think how they can create a great society? How can create a great environment in this society so that they can speak better, so they that speak peacefully?
Yeah, this is a great idea. So we are here to give you some tips so that you can create a great environment so that you can speak English language better. And also, firstly, you have to, many persons have learned English language, and many persons have learned grammar. Firstly, they think like that. So, firstly, we have to learn these all things, then we can speak English language better. Now, this is not a good thing. You can speak English language better, and you are speaking great. Firstly, you have to create an environment. Firstly, whenever you are just you have to speak English language. With whether you are with your friends, with your family members, just you have to speak English language. Just you have to speak English language all the time. And whether your friends, your family members are speaking Urdu or Sindhi with you, just your answer should be in English language. So firstly what you have to do, just you have to do this thing. Just try to create a great environment in your society. Just try to speak English language with different peoples, with multiple people. Just speak English language.
Okay, okay, Mr. Hussein.
Yes, so
Yes, yes, answer that.
as I told about the environment that it's depend upon the students that how they create their environment. I think, in my perspective, every student has means time to they can create their environment for speaking. As Mr. Z told, they can talk with their family members. That is absolutely right. As Mr. Z told them, they can make an environment with their with the friends and their family members. When they speak with that automatically their confidence will be built, because when we do not speak any language, after that we will not speak. When we will try to speak or any language, then we will able to speak English language. Don't be feel shy while speaking with stranger people. Make your own environment for the speaking, in a home, in a friend circle, in everywhere you can try to speak English language, and get motivation from a lot of YouTubers who are very well in speaking. So they will get a lot of motivation from these old peoples, and they will make sure that whatever happens to them, they will try to speak English language.
Very nice, superb. As Mr. Hussein, as Mr. Zaid, as I, we are speaking English language. We are not a British person, we are not American person, but we try to speak like that. Look at us. This is a great example for you all that we three persons are speaking amazingly. We can, if I talk, if anyone, if we talk with any native speaker, we can speak with them like native speakers. Because how could we learn these all skills? We believe, as we have described here, that whenever any person, as Mr. Hussein told, that if you have any kind of stranger, if in the family members, if they are even they are speaking Urdu or Sindhi, which kind of language, but try to communicate them, try to answer them in English. Automatically you will learn. So also we have learned like that. We have created on environment. We all the time, whenever we walk alone, when first of believe me, when I would walk alone, I speak English myself. So this is not a, we can say, shameful skill. This is not a shiny skill. So if you want to learn, then you can't stop yourself, and you can't other people, what other people are thinking about you, and what they think about you, and what they comments about you. Don't think about let the people comment bad or people. It's not a big deal. If you want to learn, if you want to create an environment, if you want to speak better, then you can't. and you should not stop yourself. Yes, Mr. Zaid, what do you think?
Yeah, this is a great idea, and this is an amazing idea that was told by Sir. You know, it depends on you. How do you think? If you think that you can, then you can. If you think that you can't, you can't. You know, everything is up to you. If you wanna speak English language better, you can speak English language very well. Just create the environment with, as Muhammad Hussein told you, that creates the environment, and try to speak English language with stranger persons. You know, everything. So let me tell you one thing. Whatever is next to you, whatever is in front of you, just speak English language on that particular thing. Just try to speak English language. Everything is up to you, and everything is in your hands. If you want to do something, then you can.
Okay, Mr.
Yes,
Hussein. Yes.
as you both told very well regarding sir, as you told that you can talk with the strangers. So I wanna give you some suggestions that to the viewers that they can try to speak with in front of mirror, because when they will speak in front of mirror, so they will judge to themselves that how much we have confidence and how we are pronounce our words and our vocabulary. So as sir you told, I get a lot of motivation from you, that you told that when I was walking on a road alone, I tried to speak English language. So it's a very, I think, a good thing that when they alone, they try to speak with themselves, because you are with you and you will know your mistakes and how many mistakes we are made in our communication. So it's a very beneficial for those, and I hope that they will never ever make the mistakes when they speak.
Superb, guys. So this is communication. Hope so you have liked a lot. Hope so you have inspired regarding our English, regarding our communication, guys. So do not worry. We are with you. If you have any kind of a problem, you can come in on this video. You can come in. We have created a YouTube channel just because of you all there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Allah bless you all. Take care.